So this was the first sum. See, I'll explain once again. The first sum, 2 raised to 2x plus 1 equals 8. So what I did is I converted this 8 also in 2 to the power 3. Now on both sides, I can cancel this 2. If the base is same, you can cancel it on both the sides. Okay, so 2x plus 1 equals 3. Further, 2x equals 3 minus 1, 2x equals 2. So x equals 2 upon 2, that is 1. X equals 1. This is your final answer.
सर आपने फर्स्ट सम में बोला कि अगर दोनों साइड अगर इक्वल्स टू के पीछे भी 2 हो और इक्वल के बाद भी 2 हो, अगर वो दोनों जगह दो दो 2 हुआ तो कैंसिल होएगा?
नहीं नहीं, उनको पहले एक बनाना पड़ेगा और फिर कैंसिल हो सकता है. Next sum. Question number 2. Sub question 2, I mean. It says 2 raised to 5x minus 1 equals 4 into 2 raised to 3x plus 1. So here what I will do is first, this left hand side will remain as it is. On the right hand side, this 4 is nothing but 2 raised to 2. ओके, 4 को मैंने 2 में कन्वर्ट किया. ठीक है, मैंने आपको बोला है कि देखो अभी यहाँ पे एक 2 है, यहाँ पे दो 2 है, तो आई कैन नॉट कैंसिल इट. बोथ साइड्स इट शुड हैव ओनली वन बेस. ठीक है, so what I will do is on the right hand side, this the base is same and there is a multiplication sign here, so powers will get, हमने सीखा है ना, a raised to 2 into a raised to 3. What happens? 2 plus 3 powers get added. So here also the powers will get added. So this will become 2 raised to 2 plus 3x plus 1. So this is 2 raised to 3 plus 3x. Now you can cancel the 2 on both the sides. So this 2 and 2 can be cancelled and your answer will be 5x minus 1 equals 3 plus 3x. Done all of you? Now here it is 3 raised to 4x plus 1 and here it is 27. So this 27 can be written as 3 to the power 3, correct? And in the power you already have x plus 1, ये already है. So इस x plus 1 को आपको ब्रैकेट में लिखना पड़ता है. Last time also I had told you that you have to make a bracket. जो already power है that should be in bracket. Okay. So this will become 3 raised to 4x plus 1 equals. Now you have to open this bracket. ये जो brackets है, you have to open this. So 3 raised to 3x plus 3. Now cancel the base. Copy the sum. Next, here you can observe this is 49, 7, and 343. All of them are some or the other powers of 7. Okay, you can observe that. So we will use that same step. 49 is nothing but 7 square. Okay, and already in the power you have x plus 4. Don't forget to make brackets here. I'm repeating 100 times. Don't forget to make brackets. Most of the times what students do is, they will write like this 7 square, and they will directly copy the x plus 4 like this. But you have to make brackets because this 2 is in multiplication with both the terms. This is 7 square and 343 is 7 cube. 343 is 7 cube. Now this base is same, 7 and 7 is same. So the powers will get added. Yes, here when you open the brackets, this will become 8. Just to make this, it will become 8 when we multiply it. Now you know what to do next. Do it on your own and find the value of x and send me the answer fast. Send me the answer in the chat box. Correct, Darsh, Vansh, correct. No KF, Hiyansh, correct. No Mannat, Pari, correct. Isha, correct. Anisha, Danish, correct. Shermanu, correct. Rajveer, also correct. No Hiya. Anushka, the sign is wrong. Just correct. Cancel the 7 on both sides. So 2x plus 8 equals 5 plus 3x. Correct. Aram, Shrey, Kef, correct. चल सब क्वेश्चन 1, क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, सब क्वेश्चन 1, 4 raised to 2x equals 1/32.
Sir, in the fourth sum, I did not get minus x equals to -3. I did 3x minus 2 equals to 8
It's
minus
okay.
5 directly.
It's okay.
Okay, no?
Now here, see there is an equal to sign in between. Okay, equal to sign in between. So on both the sides, we should try to get 2 to the power something. So this 4 can be written as 2 square to the power 2x. Okay, and 32 is nothing but 2 raised to 5. Okay, now this will become 2 raised to 4x equals, if I bring this 2 raised to 5 in the numerator, what will it happen? 2 raised to 5, if comes in the numerator, will become 2 raised to minus 5. Correct? Now this 2 can be cancelled. 4x equals minus 5. So x is minus 5/2.
So we can directly write this 4x is equal to -5. It is okay.
हाँ, okay. Now what can be done here? Squaring both sides. See, we have to remove this root sign. See, यहाँ पे root sign है ये. I have to remove this root sign. तो मैं क्या करूँगा? I will square both the sides. Okay, but before squaring, see, wait. Before squaring, do one step. Write this 16 as 2 raised to 4. Now do squaring both sides. Okay, and in fact, without squaring both sides also you can solve the sum. I think I had given you in the laws that root is nothing but 1/2 in the power. Did I explain this? Root is nothing but 1/2. Root sign का मतलब है it is 1/2. Correct? I had explained this na. हाँ, so let's use that. Let's use that here. It will make the sum easier. So this root sign which is there here, ये वाली root sign जो है ये, okay, I will replace this root sign by upon 2 in the denominator. मतलब क्या हुआ? See, this 2 to the power x plus 3, ये root sign को हटा के 1/2 आ जाएगा power में. Okay, and this 1/2 is nothing but this 2 is in denominator. Okay, तो इसको simple तरीके से I can write it like this, upon 2 equals 2 raised to 4. So there is no need to take LCM or anything here, or no need to take squaring both the sides. वो भी करने की जरूरत नहीं है. Okay, so this 2 and 2 will get cancelled, equals 4. X equals 5. Correct, Riti, Prayuj, correct.
सर इधर अगर हम लोग into 1/2 करते हैं तो फर्स्ट स्टेप में इट विल बी x plus 3 into 1 upon 2. So बोर्ड में से 3 into 1 upon 2 पहले होकर x plus 3 upon 2 होगा ना, तो
ऐसे
LCM
वैसे
क्यों नहीं लेंगे?
सुनो सुनो यहाँ पे सुनो, इट इज नॉट लाइक दिस। आप जब यहाँ पे याद ही रखो हमेशा से, सिंपल चीज, ये लॉ ही बताया था मैंने आपको कि रूट साइन है, इफ यू रिमूव दिस रूट साइन, जो रूट साइन यहाँ पे होती है उसको अगर हम रिमूव करते हैं तो डिनोमिनेटर में 2 आ जाता है। आई थिंक दिस वाज द 7th और द 8th लॉ समथिंग आई हैड टोल्ड डायरेक्टली, ठीक है। उसमें वो कंफ्यूजन रखो ही मत कि x+3 है वो 1/2 से मल्टीप्लाई होगा फिर एलसीएम वगैरह होगा, वो कुछ स्टेप्स रखो ही मत, ठीक है। और ये 1/2 से जब मल्टीप्लाई होता है तो यहाँ पे ब्रैकेट आता है, बट वो सब चीज सोचो ही मत। सिंपल थिंग रिमेंबर दैट
ठीक है,
व्हेन यू रिमूव द रूट साइन, ये जो रूट साइन है अगर आपने इसको रिमूव किया तो सीधा डिनोमिनेटर में 2 आएगा।
ओके
अगर
सर।
अगर क्यूब रूट है, ठीक है, अगर क्यूब रूट है समझो ऐसा, तो जब आप इस क्यूब
डिनोमिनेटर में 3
क्यूब
आएगा।
तो डिनोमिनेटर में 3 आ जाएगा, अपॉन 3 आ जाएगा यहाँ पे।
ओके सर,
ओके
थैंक यू सर।
Sir, we can't take LCM.
no, where which what LCM here, which numbers LCM
Sir, x plus 3.
with
Yes, sir.
which number, I mean LCM
Sir,
with
there is a root na root x plus 3 is equals to root 4. So we can't take LCM.
I didn't understand which two term, which LCM are you talking about, which numbers, these numbers? No, here you cannot take LCM ना, because equal to sign है बीच में, तो LCM क्यों आएगा? LCM जब प्लस और माइनस होता है तब आता है, there is a equal to sign in between, so equal to sign में there will be cross multiplication, this 2 will get multiplied here. Now here also there is the same thing, we have this root sign here, ये जो root sign है I will remove this root sign and power में क्या हो जाएगा, upon 2. Okay, I hope this step is clear now. This root sign so I've taken upon 2 here, and 125 upon 27 can be written as 5 upon 3 the whole cube. Now see one thing here, on the left hand side you have 3 upon 5, on the right hand side you have 5 upon 3, so I cannot cancel them, they should be same. So is there a way that I can reciprocal this? Yes, I can reciprocal this. Okay, I can reciprocal this 5 upon 3, I can make it 3 upon 5, and क्या हो जाएगा इससे, पावर की साइन माइनस हो जाएगी। करेक्ट, वेरी मान्य प्रयुज, करेक्ट, परफेक्ट आंसर। ओके, सी आप इसको भी रेसिप्रोकल कर सकते थे, ओके, बट आई प्रेफर्ड दिस। व्हाई? क्योंकि इसका पावर सिंपल है, नेगेटिव इजीली हो गया। ओके, अगर आप इसको रेसिप्रोकल करते 3/5 को, तो इसका पावर को नेगेटिव करने में ज्यादा तकलीफ होती, so it is better to choose the easier one. Answer will remain the same in both the cases. So now 3/5 will cancel. I am getting the answer as -7. Others are getting some different answer. -5? How? How -5, -6? How 7? -7 is the answer. Don't make silly mistakes.
So the plus sign is a larger number. So how will it will be the answer
Where
-7?
where is the plus
Sir,
sign with
in
the larger
the
number?
sir x plus 1. So it is a plus and it's -6. Sir. So the minus sign comes on the plus. Sir.
Wait. Firstly, this -1 will get shifted here.
So it's +1.
It's +1 will get shifted here.
Yes.
So it will become -1.
Okay, sir.
How can we directly solve this? There is a equal to sign, na? You have to shift it.
Sir, but can 6 come to 1?
6 can also come to 1. See, if 6 comes to 1, this is -6, correct? If it will come here, it will become +6. Like this.
Yes, sir.
So it will become x plus 7 equals 0. And then you'll have to shift 7 there because आपको
Okay,
x की
sir.
value चाहिए.
Okay, sir.
Now here there is cube root. Cube root. तो cube root को कैसे हम shift करते हैं? Denominator में there will be -3. Sorry, 3. Denominator will have 3. I will replace the cube root sign with 3. 27/8 is 3/2 the whole cube. Okay. Now reciprocal this. Rayuj, again you are making the mistakes of sign. Viansh, sign mistake. I hope all of you got the same answer. Any doubts here? Anish, you have got the answer correct. What is the doubt?
Sir, in the next sum, when we shift -2
Wait,
to
I'm
the
explaining. Wait. Now, see, here we have equals to 0. Okay. So what we should do here is, we should shift this entire term on the right hand side. This entire term on the right hand side. So this will become -2 will become +2. Then this 4 can be written as 2 to the power 2. then 2 will cancel. Yes, Yansh, any doubt? Your hand was raised.
No, sir, no, sir.
Next, sub question 2. Now this sub question 2 is a little tricky. Okay, just star mark this. This sign here, this sign means ratio. This sign means ratio, means they are in division. So this is like this. Okay, this is like this. Now here the base is same, 3 and 3. So the powers will get subtracted. The powers will get subtracted here. So I can write this as, जब ये ऊपर आएगा, so this will become, powers will get subtracted. Okay, this 9 is nothing but 3 square. ये 1 की तो कोई वैल्यू नहीं है. Okay, 1 doesn't have any value. 9 can be written as 3 square. Any doubts in this step? Any doubts still here? Now this will get cancelled. So x square minus x equals 2. अब सिली मिस्टेक मत करना, x square minus x x नहीं होता. x square minus x आप कर ही नहीं सकते. ठीक है. So this 2 will be shifted here. And you will have to split the middle term. You will have to split the middle term here. Factors of minus 2. 2 ones are 2. Minus 2 plus 1. Minus 2 plus 1, sum is minus 1. And minus 2 into minus 1, product is minus 2. Like we did in factorization. We used to split the middle term. Then we took this entire bracket common. Then you have to find two values of x here, one by one. X minus 2 equals 0. एक bracket को equals to 0 लेना है. And then you will get two values of x. This is your final answer. Next, question number 4. Now the level of difficulty will increase. So be alert, concentrate on the sums. Yes, all of you concentrate. See, now this is one term, this is one term, and these are two different terms. Okay, so one by one we'll see what steps can be done, because this question is this, there is a doubt here. Why is it necessary to put equals to 0 in the second sub question? The 0 was already there, na? This x square minus x minus 2 equals to 0 was already there. So in the end, when you get two brackets, so each brackets you should take equal to 0, because आपको x की वैल्यू चाहिए. तो x की वैल्यू चाहिए तो आपको दोनों ब्रैकेट्स को इंडिविजुअली इक्वल्स टू 0 लेना पड़ता है. Then you get the value of x. So here this 8 is nothing but 2 cube. Okay. This 4 is nothing but 2 square. Now in this sum, see, this one is these two questions. This question number 4. In these questions, what we have to do is we have to substitute. We have to substitute something here. Okay. What is to be substituted? See, what you have to do is let 2 raised to x equals y. Let 2 raised to x equals y. So if I square both the sides, y square क्या होगा? Y square will be 2 raised to 2x. सी दो चीज मिली है, हमने 2 raised to x को y लिया, तो y square क्या मिला? 2 raised to 2x. अब इसे क्वेश्चन में पुट करेंगे. ठीक है, फर्स्ट आई कॉपी दिस 2 cube into 2 raised to 2x plus 2 square into, सी ये क्या है? 2 raised to 2x 2 raised to x plus 1, मतलब इसको मैं अलग अलग लिखता हूँ. 2 raised to x into 2 raised to 1. मैंने लास्ट टाइम भी ये बताया था दिस थिंग कि पावर में जब एडिशन हो रहा है मतलब these two terms are separate. ओके, सो उसको मैंने स्प्लिट करके लिखा है वहां पे. प्लस, सॉरी नॉट प्लस, equals 1 plus 2 raised to x. Now I will substitute. I hope you have understood. मैंने 2 raised to x को y लिया, तो 2 raised to 2x क्या हुआ? y square. अब इसको substitute करना है in the next step. So what is this? This is 2 cube 8 into 2 raised to 2x क्या है? 2 raised to 2x is y square plus 2 square is 4. 2 raised to 2 raised to x what is 2 raised to x? It is y into 2 plus, sorry, equals 1 plus 2 raised to x क्या है? 2 raised to x is y. See this carefully. किसी को कंफ्यूजन हो रहा होगा. 2 raised to 2x को मैंने y स्क्वायर लिखा, 2 raised to x को y, and again 2 raised to x को y. Nothing else is changed. Any doubt in this step? Four into 2 is 8. I've got an equation now. This is the equation. I'll have to split the middle term here. Before splitting the middle term, this 8 and minus 1 is the product. Product क्या होगा? Minus 8. So 8 1 जा 8 plus 7 चाहिए. To keep 8 as positive and 1 as negative. Taking common, some is still left, but copy this much first. Any doubts still here? You can ask me, then I will proceed with the next step. See, next step. अब दो ब्रैकेट्स मिले हैं. You have got two brackets, y plus 1 and 8y minus 1. Okay. So individually you will take that brackets, those brackets equals to 0. Because हमें y की values चाहिए. Okay. So I got y equals minus 1 or 8y equals 1, y equals 1 upon 8. ये मिला y की दो values. These are the two values of y. But what is y? As per the question, I had taken y as 2 raised to x. मैंने substitute किया था 2 raised to x को y, तो मुझे re-substitute भी करना पड़ेगा. I have to complete the sum ना. So I will write here re-substitute y equals 2 raised to x. तो यहाँ पे 2 raised to x equals -1 आएगा और यहाँ पे 2 raised to x equals 1 upon 8 आएगा. Now this cannot be solved further क्योंकि यहाँ पे 2 का पावर है and here it is -1, तो इनका कोई रिलेशन नहीं है. Cannot be solved. But this can be solved. Two cancel. X equals -3. Big question. First, copy this part. Yes, copied.
So,
Yes.
first we cannot cancel the 2x. That
From
2x,
where?
2x is equal to 1 minus 1 or 2x is equal to 1 upon it. So we can cancel the 2x,
With
2 raised
what?
to x.
With what? मतलब ये दोनों 2x ना?
Yes, sir.
किससे कैंसिल करूं?
So,
ये दोनों अलग है, ये अलग चल रहा है, ये अलग चल रहा है,
okay,
ये दोनों अलग है.
okay, sir.
बीच में और आ गया ना, और कॉपी फास्ट. Okay. Next. Second sub question. Here also use the same method. जो लास्ट में आपने यूज किया था 2 raised to x equals y, 2 raised to 2x 2y होता है. Use it here. So 2 raised to 2x, in the place of 2 raised to 2x, I will write y square. Or wait, first let's simplify this. See this, ये जो 2 raised to 2x है, I will split, मतलब उसको ऐसे लिखूंगा 2 raised to x into 2 raised to 2 minus 4 into 8 equals 0. अब सब्स्टिट्यूट करो, 2 raised to 2x को लिखो y स्क्वायर प्लस 2 raised to x को लिखो y. So this is y square plus 4y minus 32 equals 0. Split the middle term now. Tell me in the chat box what will be the splitting here. Signs also, Darsh, signs also. करेक्ट वंश, नो वंश, साइंस आर रॉन्ग वंश, हाँ जैनम करेक्ट। +4 चाहिए, सम +4 चाहिए, हियांश रॉन्ग, साइंस आर रॉन्ग, मान्य करेक्ट, दर्श करेक्ट। सी 8 4 जा 32 होगा, आपको सम +4 चाहिए। +4 कब आएगा, जब आप +8 -4 रखोगे। Now once you get the value of y, you have to resubstitute. So in the place of y, put 2 raised to x. Now this part here, 2 raised to x equals -8. So it will come to your mind that आप इसको ऐसे लिख दो, 2 raised to x equals -2 raised to 3, ऐसा लिख दो, आपके दिमाग में आएगा, ठीक है। बट इससे हम सम को सॉल्व नहीं कर सकते। सी ऑन द बोथ द साइड्स यू कैन कैंसल 2, 2 को कैंसिल कर सकते हो, लेकिन एक जगह पे 2 है और एक जगह पे -2 है, तो यू कैन नॉट कैंसिल इट, हम उसे कैंसिल नहीं कर सकते। एक साइड नेगेटिव नंबर है और एक साइड पॉजिटिव है, तो यू कैन नॉट कैंसिल इट। So this cannot be solved further. This will not give you the value of x. Only this right hand side term will give you the value of x. The third sub question is easy. See यहाँ पे अगर आपको चाहिए तो आप लिख दो not possible. See 2 raised to x equals अगर 8 होता ना, तो you can write it as 2 raised to 3 and then you can cancel 2 but यहाँ पे अगर -8 है, if it is -8, that means what will happen, it will become -2 raised to 3 and this 2 and -2 cannot be cancelled because they are not equal, उनको कैंसिल नहीं कर सकते, तो इसीलिए आपको x की वैल्यू नहीं मिलेगी। Write both the answers part. ओके, नाउ यहाँ पे रूट साइन है, सो रूट साइन क्या हो जाती है, डिनोमिनेटर बिकम्स 2. यहाँ पे फोर्थ रूट है, फोर्थ रूट, so here the denominator will become 4. Correct? Then 3 will cancel. Now cross multiply, equal to sign है ना बीच में, cross multiply. This will be your answer for the third sub question. Next. Question number 5. 4 raised to 2m equals cube root of 16 to the power minus 6 raised to n equals square root of 8 to the power 2. All three are equal. दो equal to sign है, means all three terms are equal to each other. First is equal to second, second is equal to third. All three are equal to each other. Now what you have to do is, see, you have to find m also and n also. Two unknown values, m और n. ठीक है, दोनों में ये दो वेरिएबल्स है, एंड ये थर्ड वाला अगर देखोगे तो इसमें कोई वेरिएबल नहीं है. देयर इज नो वेरिएबल हियर. सी, तो आप क्या करो, फर्स्ट दिस टर्म एंड दिस टर्म इक्वेट देम. ऐसे पहले सिर्फ इन दोनों को सॉल्व करेंगे, इसको और इसको, दे आर इक्वल. ठीक है, तो एक एक को सॉल्व करेंगे. तो हाउ टू सॉल्व दिस? 4 can be written as 2 square. What is root 8 square? Root 8 का square क्या होगा? What will be the square of root 8? रूट साइन हट जाएगी, 8 आ जाएगा. ओके, and 8 is nothing but 2 cube. 2 cancel. आ गया m की वैल्यू. m मिल गया। अब बाकी सेकंड और थर्ड को इक्वेट करते हैं। अगेन ऑन द राइट हैंड साइड √8² इज 8। यहाँ पे ये जो क्यूब रूट है, दिस क्यूब रूट, दिस विल बिकम अपॉन 3 इन द पावर में 1/3 आ जाएगा। मीन्स ऑलरेडी पावर में -6 raised to n है, ठीक है। इसके डिनोमिनेटर में 3 आ जाएगा। एम आई राइट? दिस cube root, this cube root in the this cube root became 3 in the denominator. Now I can cancel this 3. 3 ones are, 3 twos are. So 16 raised to -2 upon n equals 8. Now 16 is nothing but 2 raised to 4. And 8 is nothing but 2 raised to 3. So 2 will cancel. 4 into -2, -8n equals 3. तो n को ऊपर भेजो एंड 3 को नीचे लाओ। एक्सचेंज किया मैंने, n एंड 3 को एक्सचेंज किया, तो मुझे n की वैल्यू मिल गई -8/3। यू कैन मेक इट मिक्स फ्रैक्शन ऑल्सो। दिस विल बी योर आंसर फॉर n। m we have already found and this is n. Copy the sum neatly. Next sum. Solve for x and y. Means we have to find the value of x and y. The question is √32 to the power x divided by 2 raised to y plus 1 equals 1. And the second equation is, I'll write it a little far away, 8 raised to y minus 16 raised to 4 minus x upon 2 equals 0. Now, root 32 to the power x is nothing but 32 raised to x upon 2. Okay, divide by 2 to the power y plus 1. तो divide मतलब इसको मैं नीचे लिख देता हूँ like this. Is it correct? Any doubt here? Divide था इसलिए मैंने ऊपर नीचे लिखा. And then ये जो root sign है, this became 2 in the denominator. Okay. अब now this 2 raised to y plus 1 if goes here up. See what I'm saying is यहाँ पे equal to 1 है ना ये. This is equals to 1. तो ये 2 raised to y यहाँ पे जाके 1 से मल्टीप्लाई होगा. और क्या मिलेगा? 2 raised to y ही मिलेगा. y plus 1. 2 raised to y plus 1. Can I make this 32 as 2? 2 to the power something. What is 32? How can I make 32 as 2 to the power something? Two to the power 5. Okay, so ये बन गया 2 to the power 5x upon 2 equals 2 to the power y plus 1. 2 and 2 cancel. 5x upon 2 equals y plus 1. This 2 will get multiplied with y plus 1. 2 और y plus 1 multiply हो जाएंगे. Write this like this, 1. Copy this first, then I'll tell you the second part. The second part, shift this entire term on the right hand side. Now here I'll have to take LCM. Power में 4 minus x upon 2 है ना, तो I'll have to take LCM here. LCM होगा. So 2 into 4 8 minus x upon 2. ये ऐसे आएगा. Now 8 is nothing but 2 cube. 16 is nothing but 2 raised to 4. So this 2 ones are 2 twos are. तो क्या बचा पावर में? 2 into 8 minus x. 2 2 cancel. 3y equals 16 minus 2x. Minus 2x को शिफ्ट करो राइट हैंड साइड, लेफ्ट हैंड साइड. So 2x plus 3y equals 16. Name this as equation 2. solve equation 1 and 2 simultaneously. Okay, जब आप ऐसे सॉल्व करोगे simultaneously तो you will get x as 2 and y as 4. Okay, you will learn about this solving simultaneously in the simultaneous linear equation chapter. Okay, for now write only this much. Yes, those who want to copy.
Yeah, so hello, sir.
Yes,
Sir, the simultaneous equation is started in school.
yes, I got to know. After this chapter we'll start that.
Okay, sir.
Sir,
Yes,
how x became 2 and y became 4?
मैंने बताया ना कि आपको इसे साइमल्टेनियसली सॉल्व करना होता है. ठीक है, अब वो कैसे सॉल्व करते हैं वो चैप्टर आपने किया ही नहीं है. तो जब हम वो चैप्टर करेंगे, ठीक है, तो आपको समझ जाएगा कैसे सॉल्व करना है इनको. तो अभी के
Okay.
लिए आप ऐसे ही रखो. ठीक है, ठीक है, अब मैं आपको वो चैप्टर सिखाऊंगा तो फिर ये सम आधा रह जाएगा. इसीलिए अभी ऐसे ही लिखो, आपको समझ जाएगा ऑटोमेटिक जब हम वो चैप्टर करेंगे तब.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
चलो, last sum for today, question number 7. I hope all of you have copied the question number 6. हो गया ना सबका कॉपी? We have to prove that this is equals to 1. ये हमें प्रूव करना है. ठीक है, so I will solve this and make sure that this is equals to 1. How can I solve this? सबसे पहले तो this x raised to a upon x raised to b है, तो this will become a minus b. b upon c will become b minus c. And x raised to c upon x raised to a will become c minus a. Then you will open the bracket. ठीक है, ब्रैकेट ओपन करोगे तो क्या होगा, ये जो a है ये तीनों से मल्टीप्लाई होगा. ओके, एंड जो b है वो भी तीनों से मल्टीप्लाई होगा. समझ रहा है ब्रैकेट ओपन कैसे होगा? This a will get multiplied with all three terms and this b will also get multiplied with all three terms. समझे? तीनों टर्म के साथ मल्टीप्लाई होगा. Okay, so let's see, let's do the multiplication. a जो है ये तीनों टर्म के साथ मल्टीप्लाई होगा, ठीक है, एंड b जो है this will also get multiplied with all three terms. Similarly here b will get multiplied with all three terms and minus c will get multiplied with all three terms. Here c will get multiplied with all three terms and minus a will get multiplied with all three terms. ये जो एक एक टर्म होता है ना a b b c, ये पूरे टर्म तीनों से मल्टीप्लाई होता है 1 by 1. तो a square plus ab minus ac minus ab minus b square plus bc, then x raised to b square plus bc minus ab minus bc minus c square plus ac. Now these are in multiplication. Multiplication में है तो पावर्स ऐड होंगे, ठीक है, ऑल दिस पावर्स विल गेट एडेड और सब कुछ कैंसिल हो जाएगा. यू सी ए स्क्वायर कैंसिल होगा ए स्क्वायर से, बी स्क्वायर विल गेट कैंसिल विद बी स्क्वायर, सी स्क्वायर से कैंसिल होगा, माइनस ए सी विल गेट कैंसिल्ड विद प्लस ए सी, प्लस बी सी माइनस बी सी, प्लस बी सी माइनस बी सी, ए सी माइनस ए सी, माइनस ए बी प्लस ए बी माइनस ए बी, सब कुछ कैंसिल हो जाएगा. So in the end you will get x raised to 0 that is equals to 1. I hope everybody has copied this last sum for today. Again we have to prove that this is equals to 1. So what I'll do is I'll remove this. I'll first solve the left hand side. Okay, so open the brackets. AB minus AC upon x raised to b into a is AB only minus BC. Divide by this C will get multiplied with both the terms. This C will get multiplied with B and A both. So BC upon AC. Correct? Now the base is same here, x and x. The base is same, so the powers will get subtracted. AB minus AC minus, in the bracket, the power of the denominator. Now how can I make this multiplication, this division, can I make it multiplication? इस division को मैं यहाँ पे I can make it multiplication. How? Yes, Prayuj, correct. By making this term, by reciprocaling the term. So ये हो गया reciprocal term. ठीक है, ये रेसिप्रोकल कर दिया। अच्छा, अब यहाँ पे क्या हो रहा है, आई हैव टू ओपन द ब्रैकेट, x रेज टू ab minus ac minus ab plus bc into, here the powers will get subtracted, ab cancel, minus ac plus bc into x raised to ac minus bc. Again the base is same x, so power will get added, plus bc plus ac minus bc. So minus minus cancel, plus plus cancel, what will remain in the end, x raised to 0, and x raised to 0 is 1, hence proved. Okay, we have completed the half exercise 7b. That's it for today.